Good morning, students. Students of class 10, welcome to your English grammar class. In the last class, we have started subject verb agreement and some rules and regulations regarding subject. We have already discussed. Student, last class we have discussed if no or some is followed by a singular noun, it takes a singular verb. If it is followed by a plural noun, it takes plural verb. Example I have already told you. Today let us discuss another rule. When and connects to title or designation of the same person, the verb is singular. If the person referred to are different, the verb is plural. Example: the Vice President of India and Chairman of Rajya Sabha has given his consent to the bill. Students, you remember one thing here. The Vice President of India and Chairman of Rajya Sabha is the same person. So it is singular in subject. That's why it will take singular verb. Similarly, the President of India and the Chancellor of a university were invited to the convocation. Students, you see, the is used before the two nouns. That's why it refers two separate or two different persons. That's why it is plural and it will take plural verb. To indicate that persons talked about the two separate individuals, we use definite article, the what I told you previously. Before each person, the is used as in the second example what I told you. Next, come to your rule. If the subject begins with a fraction, the verb agrees with the noun that follows the fraction. That means if a singular subject is followed by the fraction, it will take singular verb, and if plural subject or plural noun is followed by the fraction, it will take plural verb. Example: 2/3 of the acid has evaporated. In this example, acid is singular and it is also followed by a fraction that is 2/3. So it takes singular subject. Next example: 2/3 of the apples are rotten. You see, after this fraction 2/3, apples is your plural. So it will take plural verb as it is given in the example. Am I clear? Students, let us come to next rule. If the subject begins with a good deal, a great deal of, a lot of, plenty of, most of, some of, etc., the verb agrees with the noun that follows such phrases. Example, you see, a lot of people were present at the meeting. You see, People is followed by a lot of, and people is your plural. So it will take plural verb as it is given in the example. You see, in the next example, same a lot of is used, but after a lot of singular subject or singular noun is given. That's why it will take singular verb. For example, a lot of money was spent on buying clothes for the marriage ceremony. Next, some of the students were intelligent. Students, after some, plural verb is, plural subject is, or plural noun is there. That's why it will take plural verb as it is given in the example. Some of the students were intelligent. Next, you see, same some is used, but after some, singular noun is there, or a singular noun is followed by some of, it will take singular verb. Example, some of the music was excellent. Phrases, students, phrases beginning with a congregation of, a crowd of, a flock of, a group of, a head of, or a regiment of usually take singular verb in spite of the fact that the noun after of is plural. Example, a crowd of people was shouting slogans. A head of elephants was seen in the jungle. A group of smugglers was arrested yesterday. Students, this much today.